Hello everyone, I am your teacher Miss Rabia Islam. I welcome you all in virtual learning program. Today we are going to learn about colors name. Let's learn. The first color is red. R-E-D, red. It is an apple. Apple has red color. These are cherries. Next color is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Here are mango and banana. They both have yellow color. Next color is green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Here is leaf. Leaf has green color. And caterpillar. Caterpillar also has green color. The next color is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Here is blue color car and blue coat as well. Next color is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Here is orange. Orange is a fruit as well, and orange juice. Dear students, in this video we learn about the colors name. In next video I will meet you with new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.